Entrance of the Sardab of Maulana Imam Zmana Salam, where his occultation Ghabat started from. I'm walking down the stairs, going down in the Sardab of the place where Imam alayhi salam actually the occultation started. This used to be a different way, and now they have actually put these stairs together. Well, this is the place where Imam's occultation Ghabat actually started. People are actually, this is the 8th of Rabiul Awwal, the martyrdom day of Imam Hasan Askari alayhi salam. People are actually staying here overnight, Aza and Bursa, and this is the place. I'm going to turn the phone off in a few minutes, but this is where the place is. It says, Assalamu alayka ya baqiyatullah. Assalamu alayka ya sahib as-zawar. This is the place where occultation of Imam Zmana al-Islam started. Tamaam se dua.
کربلا پہ دل تڑپتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں زمین کربلا پہ دل. Standing بین الحرمین. On this side is Maula Hussein's Zari. The closest I could go is this much. Cell phones are not allowed inside, but this is one of the morning, Friday morning. I'm heading back to Najaf in a few hours. I hope this will not be the last time in Karbala. Ya Aba Abdullah, Ya Mawla, bring us back to Karbala, inshallah. So this is the closest I could go to the Zari of Aba Abdullah al-Hussein alayhi salam. Inside of the Zari of Abdullah al-Hussein alayhi salam. And the other side is Maula Abbas's shrine, you can see from far. This is Bain al-Haramain standing, giving pursa and giving a few verses of a temporary alvida, a temporary Khuda Hafiz. Inshallah, we'll come back and visit you, Ya Aba Abdullah. We'll visit you soon, Ya Aba Abdullah. زمین کربلا پہ دل تڑپتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں زمین کربلا پہ دل تڑپتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں ہمیں شبیر میں روتا بلکتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں زمین کربلا پہ دل تڑپتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں ہمیں شبیر میں روتا بلکتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں اور بہت دشوار تھا کرب و بلا کو الوداع کہنا بہت دشوار تھا کرب و بلا کو الوداع کہنا رواں سانسوں کو سینے میں اٹکتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں زمین کربلا پہ دل تڑپتا چھوڑ آیا ہوں